I'm approaching on Hunter.
On who?
Hunter. He's got.
Agent Hunter?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Is he here?
He is here. He has a BVR, but before we address the BVR, can I ask you to hear PC?
Haven't I already found PC?
You have, but there is a disconnect.
This is Courtroom Warfare 101. The defense is coming in hot, trying to rip apart the evidence using body cam footage. But the judge isn't having it. He's slamming the brakes. Why? Because this isn't a full-blown trial. It's a probable cause hearing, and that changes everything. We're not here to prove guilt beyond a shadow of a doubt. We're here to ask one brutal question. Is there enough smoke to believe a fire's about to erupt? It's not about verdicts yet. It's about igniting the fuse.
It's between what is in the DIMS and what the body camera shows.
I can't get into that now because that gets into more than just, you know what I mean? That we would do for like a suppression, but when you start getting into evidentiary things, like that gets into more outside of the scope of, because I have to give them the opportunity to respond to that too.
So I spoke with the state about this yesterday, and I don't know what has come of that.
I mean, I want to be fair to you guys, right? And when at a PC hearing, when someone starts getting into body cams, into videos, and
I apologize. Again, I'm relatively new to sports. I don't really know how the court policies on that. So
I'm always happy to rehear PC something on anything. But when you get into using evidence into a PC hearing, like, I guess that defeats the purpose because it's just supposed to, on its own, there's either PC for the PC hearing or there just isn't.
On the face of the DIMS, I'm going to argue there's no PC. This case was charged as having a gun in plain view. The officer in the DIMS, what he swore to, the gun was between the driver's seat and the center console.
Did you catch that? Hunter flat out confesses he's got a gun. No spin. No excuses. No weaseling out. Just raw, unfiltered truth. But here's the million-dollar question. Does brutal honesty earn you points in court? Or does it just hand the prosecution a loaded weapon? In a legal battleground, is it smarter to come clean and take the hit? Or keep your mouth shut and let strategy do the talking? What wins the war? Truth or silence?
It's between...
Well, it was like the butt of the gun was visible, right?
Yes,
I remember?
but that it has to be immediately apparent that it's a gun. And the reason I want you to see the body camera is within the first 2 minutes of the officer approaching the car, he asks Mr. Hunter if he has a gun. Mr. Hunter tells the truth and says yes. And the next thing the officer says is, "Where is it?"
I need to give them time to look at it, though. You know, I mean, to be fair,
Okay.
both sides have to have the opportunity to look at what you're complaining about, that there's no PC, because they haven't had the opportunity to look at what you're saying. So to me, would be me allowing you to get into evidence where they've not been able to see it.
Well, it's their body camera.
I know that, but they're not prepared now. I mean, imagine we have 100 cases every day, you know?
usually,
And it's just kind of like springing it on them. Hey, by the way,
here's what we can do, Judge. And this is a good one for you. When you get a setting for hearing,
So-
you want to have, because anything body cam, I'd like to at least have an officer to explain it.
Okay.
I think it's unfair to the officer to have just his body cam played before without any kind of context. But what I will do is I will look at the body cam as well. We will look at the body cam as well, evaluate it.
I'm always happy to do it, but I want to be fair to them too, you know?
So this case is set for trial, I believe, on March 18th. My concern is that Mr. Hunter does have an allegation of a bond violation. And if he goes back in and there's no PC, he's being held on a case where...
PC's been found. I found PC. There is probable cause to go forward now. You're just saying, in your opinion, that there's no, after further looking through the evidence, so you're saying he's not guilty, right? But there is probable cause to go forward. I found probable cause. You're just saying that he's not guilty because, you know, the video may not show what you think they're alleging.
Okay.
But, you know, regardless, come up, Mr. Hunter. He's testing positive over and over for meth.
No, he missed a drug test on the 18th.
Come on.
And if you send in the test today, he will be clean.
Send me for a test right now. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It's now 11:30, so I guess we'll have to put it off for Monday,
Okay.
but
The judge just dropped the hammer. Miss one more drug test and it's game over, straight to jail. No warnings. No merci. Zero tolerance. But here's the twist. Is this hard-hitting tough love meant to wake someone up? Or is it just the system being cold, rigid, and ruthless? Now ask yourself, should personal demons ever outweigh the rule book? Or is the law, no matter the struggle? Sound off, justice, or just punishment?
where did I see somewhere that was alleged that there was meth or?
That was his first drug test back in.
Okay. So he was just a no-show. It sounds like.
Yeah,
Okay,
he just-
I'm sending you for a test now, Mr. Hunter.
Okay.
So if it's negative, great. If it's not, we'll deal with it when I get there. But
Okay.
I'm sending you for a test now. If you ever fail to show again, I will put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You know better than anything. You have to show up to these tests. You know. Okay, so just have him take a seat. I'll have him sent, and then we'll roll to Monday.
And this case is set for trial on the 15th. The state has already filed, I think, their pretrial motions. Is there a way we can move it up and we'll waive the 20 days?
It's, you speak to them. I'm
Okay,
happy to do whatever you
I
want to
just
do
don't
as
know
long
what
as they're
trial
in
dates you
agreement.
have.
Sorry?
I just don't know what trial dates you have.
We're going to back there.
Okay,
She can tell you.
Okay.
But, if we're going before, we need to get their approval.
okay.
As far as, waiving any kind of
Well, if you were going
lines.
to be here next week, or if you were going to be out, there's no point
I'm
in
not
asking.
going anywhere.
Okay.
I never go anywhere.
You need a vacation, Judge.
All right. You ain't lying. Okay, so Hunter, take a seat. I'm sitting.
Okay.
Thanks, Sam.
Sit down.
Yes.